Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another video. I am in my Nani house and mashallah their sitting area is very nice. See how things are. Alhamdulillah, we live right next to a mosque, so you can hear the azan anytime. You can go across the road and then read your namaz. Hamza, how are you doing? Alright, let me turn the camera on.
Chilling, man, chilling.
Huh?
Chilling.
You were standing too close to the thing, so you got some dust on your clothes. I'm gonna go to the top floor. The weather is very nice today. I think about half an hour left in iftar now. These are our solar panels. Very important in Pakistan because electricity is very expensive. So far, alhamdulillah, I'm having a really good time in Pakistan. The weather is very nice. Normally when we come to Pakistan, we come at a time where there's wedding or something big is happening, so we've come to purely just relax, spend Eid with the family. So there's not a lot to do and chase around for. So alhamdulillah, really peaceful time. So this is the cricket ground. Not cricket, it's a playground, but there's a cricket pitch on it there. And this is where we used to play. I have hit this masjid wall many times, you know, because I used to go to madrasa here as well. And the Qari Sahib, the Imam, used to not take it lightly. Let's see how this young fella does. Oh no, he doesn't know how to bowl. Hamza is down there. What's happening, mate? What's happening? What's happening, fella? This morning was very hectic because my mother had reaction to maybe dust or something, and quite a bad reaction on her face. She was in a lot of discomfort, stinging, burning sensation, redness, patches, raised bumps. So, and she was fasting, and because it was so localized, she didn't want to break her fast with a medication. So I was trying to help her with that because I knew going to dermatologist or going to a doctor is not a solution, because a bee just stung me. Pray for me. I hope I'm okay, inshallah, because I overreacted to bee stings. Going to doctor was not a solution because alhamdulillah I've got enough medical knowledge myself about these things. So alhamdulillah her condition is much better now. Iftar time soon, I'm gonna head downstairs, you know, sit with my uncle. We're just leaving our Nani's house.
Technology.
And we're gonna go to our accommodation because we need to do all the packing, and from there we're gonna check out early morning. Then we're gonna bring all the stuff here, and then the next Sahri time we're gonna go early morning towards Buner, inshallah. So my cousin Abbas is here. He's given us his car for a few days. Thank you so much. You're very kind, and it's also very beautiful. On our way to our flat, we've come to this place which is very commonly known in Pakistan, which is Ande Wala Burger. This is proper street food in Pakistan. You know, he's about to make whisk the anda, and then he's gonna pour it across. He's gonna put the shami kebab in it, and then he's gonna make it. Look at that sizzle. Anda shami burger. It is 140 rupees, which is about 40 pence. Yeah, 40 pence. So actually it's still very, very cheap compared to the prices in you know, UK. Once he is finished with making it, I'm not sure whether we can try it here. I don't think we can try it here. Can I? Once the shamis are done, then he spreads them on the buns, pose, evenly. Try to try them one more time. It is not the most healthy food, but it is very delicious. Now he is getting the anda prepared. Yeah, salt, pepper, some masalas in there. Now he's gonna fry the egg. So that's cabbage, white cabbage on top of the shami. Then some ketchup sauce on top of it. And then we'll squeeze mayo sauce on top. Gonna cut the egg. There you go. Currently we are in Rawalpindi. It's a very common thing in Rawalpindi and Lahore and these sort of places, but it's coming towards like Swat and Peshawar and those areas as well. There you go. Starting to place the egg on top of the salad. More sauce. Like I said, it's not the most healthy burger that you will eat, but it is very delicious. A friend of mine, Mizanur, when he watches this video, I know he is the kind of person who would love to eat this. Chutney sauce will go on top of these. And then there you go, they are ready. So this is proper Pakistani street food. Inshallah, I'll try to give my honest opinion. I'm having it after a couple of years, so see how it is, inshallah. So we have decided that I'm going to try it here because that's the only justice to this, because it's fresh.
How is it? So they unlock some.
Let me take another bite. Let me take another bite.
They unlock some cool memories.
It's not quite hot.
No, it's not.
It is.
It's not.
Give me some more.
No, man. Take another bite. Can't have enough. Alright, let me.
MashaAllah. I would highly recommend. MashaAllah is very nice. So we've come to Savour Food, which is one of the delicacy of Rawalpindi, and they're very proud of it. There's quite a few stores here in Rawalpindi. Essentially, what Savour Food is palau rice with shami kebab and roast chicken. Something which is highly spoken of in Rawalpindi. All the students come here. If you come to Rawalpindi, you have to come to Savour Foods. That's a must. But it's my first time. I'm not gonna lie, it's my first time. Inshallah, when I try it, I will give my honest opinion. Hamza has tried it before, and he's the reason I'm here today. I have just opened the Savour Food order, and mashallah, it's a large portion, so I'm probably not going to finish. Let me just show you. Large portion, chicken piece, another chicken piece, and then shami kebab with some salad. Sorry, ignore the mess I've made. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
It's nice, isn't it, bro?
Yeah, it's decent. I'll try some chicken with some rice. It's a very traditional thing to do with eating with your hands. And that's how we're taught. So there you go. Very nice. Assalamu alaikum. I should have recorded this video before we got into our accommodation, but now that we are checking out, I'll show you the apartment that we were staying in. a small tour of our apartment. Amazing stay here, absolutely loved it. Not very expensive as well, and if I come in the future I'll certainly stay here again. I'll highly recommend it. Very safe area. There is a guard walking at night here to make sure nothing dodgy is happening. They have their own police system here, own kind of bin collection system here. Very, very good system. That's Abu there, and yeah, it's time for me to go. I did that we're gonna travel early morning to Buner. We have arrived at the checkpoint for Buner.